This world is to touch real life. So perhaps we need a little time off from my touch for some new touch. Adventure Aquarium, America's most touchable aquarium, filled with fascination.
The countdown Chevy event is here. Take the 15 miles per gallon show-stealing Cruisy Coke. Or turn it up with Malibu. 33 mpg with a 500 highway miles a tank. 2 of our 9 models on the 30 mpg highway. You love these. Very well qualified lessees can get a low mileage lease on Chevy Malibu for around $179 a month. Fuel economy based on EPA estimates. Countdown Chevy for more every mile.
This is NBC 10 News. Tonight on NBC 10 News, it's skid marks and scorched trees. The aftermath of a horrific crash that claimed the life of a local celebrity.